Today we are searching how to buy shares of ABN AMRO Group NV, a Dutch bank listed on Euronext under the ticker ABN.NV. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and it explains the steps without promising results. To buy these shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ABN.NV to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing for ABN AMRO Group NV to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and view the price chart for ABN AMRO Group NV. Confirm the page shows Euronext and the ticker ABN.NV before proceeding. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm your order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After your trade is placed, the position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, the eToro link to follow these steps is in the description below.